I'm now going to move on to the second part of this course, which is why you should travel. Travel healthcare has tons of great perks, from making potentially double the money compared to a traditional position to being able to work almost anywhere nationwide. There are many benefits to starting a travel career. So, here are some of the most popular perks to become a travel healthcare worker. One is a high pay rate. In my opinion, the best perk of being a travel healthcare worker is the pay. In my experience, most compensation packages range from $1,200 to $2,000 a week after taxes. That means that you can make up to $104,000 after taxes in just 1 year. For some professions and specialties, this earnings could be even more. These earnings can enable improved financial security while also broadening your career horizon. Not only do you receive a tremendous pay rate, but you can also have the potential for bonuses, free continuing education units, and license reimbursement. In addition, many contracts and companies will include travel and relocation reimbursement. So, what I mean by that is that when you're going to go to your next assignment, they'll reimburse you for the costs incurred to rent a car, the mileage or gas incurred to drive your own vehicle, or through flying to that new location. As well, as a travel healthcare worker, you'll often receive provided housing, and if not provided housing, then you can choose a housing stipend. Now I'm going to move on to the lifestyle benefits. Having an amazing salary is the most enticing factor with travel healthcare. However, there are several overlooked reasons why traveling is also a great way to have adventure and flexibility while expanding your career. One of them is the ability to have unmatched freedom and flexibility. So, in the medical field, it is very hard to get days off or go on incredible vacations. But with travel healthcare, you can have unmatched freedom and flexibility. Due to the brevity of these assignments, there's plenty of room to take time off in between contracts to vacation, spend time with family, or just relax. You can work exactly how much or as little as you want to. You also get paid to travel the nation. As a traveler, you have a very flexible career that is desirable nationwide. And lucky for you, many traveling companies have contracts in all 50 states, so you can really take advantage of your flexible career. And even better, the process to obtain multiple state licenses is relatively easy. As long as you are already licensed in at least one state, your process to receive additional state licenses simply consists of filling out an application and paying the license fees. Yep, that's right. You do not have to retake the license exam. And lastly, you can also gain unbeatable experience as a traveler. So many jobs would limit your knowledge to just one clinic or setting. But with travel healthcare, you can work in every setting if you wanted, as long as you are qualified. For example, you could work in acute care 13 weeks, then a subacute, and then pediatrics. Each setting has its own unique skill set and can provide you with valuable knowledge to carry over into your future positions. So here's a summary slide of why you should travel. One, you can earn an incredible high pay rate. Two, not only can you earn a massive amount of money as a traveler, but you have the potential for bonuses, free continuing education, license reimbursements, housing reimbursements, and travel cost reimbursements. Not only is this such a great financial career route, but it also will broaden your career and your professional abilities by providing you unmatched freedom and flexibility, the ability to see the nation, and create unbeatable experience.